Hi folks, it's Ed from Mr. C's Automart. We have just arrived, 2010 Sterling Gray Honda Pilot EXL with the rear DVD and remote. So this it's a sterling gray color, but you see it has brand new BF Goodrich 245 65 R17 tires, the nice 5-spoke aluminum wheel, the 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine. Now this is 4-wheel drive. It has 4-wheel lock, so you can lock the wheels. It has window rain guards, second and third row tinted glass. It's got 140,000 miles. We're going to have this for $8,866. It's got a dual chrome exhaust. That tow package is optional. And it tows 4,500 pounds. The seats fold flat as such. And your middle seat folds flat, and it also tilts forward with this mechanism to allow you to slide the seat forward. There's your rear DVD. Power seats on both sides, heated seats, sunroof, DVD player, 6 CD player. This is in excellent condition, certified Carfax. And again, it'll be $8,866. You can call me at Mr. C's at 708-473-2014, or visit the website, MrC'sAutomart.com. Thanks.